Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today we're showing you this 2021 Polaris RZR PRO XP 4 Ultimate. This machine is in like-new condition with only 58 original miles. We recently acquired it from the original owner, who bought it brand new and ended up just not using it as much as they thought they would. It was stored in their climate-controlled garage. So it has no corrosion or anything like that, really has never seen like mud or rain or any elements like that. And it really was lightly used just a few times by them on their property. So in this video, we're gonna do a condition overview of this Polaris as it is for sale here at AlphaCars Motorcycles. You can view the availability and the pricing, as well as more information, including a pricing breakdown of all the accessories on this machine on our website on the online listing on alphacars.com. We do offer transportation as well, so even if you're not local to us here in New England, still reach out if you've been looking for a machine like this, and we can ship this right to you. So with all that being said, let's take a close look at this Polaris. Let's start out by taking a walk around the exterior, and as we do, I'll highlight the installed accessories. So this premium blue factory front bumper, as well as the winch here, that was a factory or dealer installed option. This full windshield here, the roof panel, and the light bar on the roof panel, including the light bar wiring harness, that was installed when the vehicle was new at the selling dealer. And these Nerf bars, which are these long metal protective bars here that will protect the plastic body paneling when you're sliding through a thin trail or rocks or whatever you may be doing. These machines are so capable and super fun to drive or ride in. And if you were to buy one of these brand new, put the same accessories on it, you'd be looking at around $41,000 or $42,000. The MSRP has gone up a little bit since the 21 model, and this is almost like, you could consider it like a 2021 leftover. It's in the condition you would expect. Of course, 58 miles, it has a few little bumps and scrapes, as you would expect from having the very, very light use, like even just a couple little scuffs just from, getting in, your feet drag over this a couple times. We did put a new battery in it, and we have the battery tender lead right here ready to go, so you can keep that maintained. But these bucket seats with the harnesses, everything is in the condition you would expect. It's got the factory booklets with it, as well as 2 factory keys. And you can see the roof panel here. This video isn't going to be how to use this or all the features it has, because it has a ton of features, being the Ultimate model integrated into the head unit. Even I believe it has like adjustable suspension and other things like that, different driving modes as well. This video we're just sticking to the condition overview, but plenty of storage in here. And even look at the footwells. It looks like no one's even been in it before. And there's some storage in the dash, which looks like it's sealed from the elements. And that's where there's a spare key and some of the factory booklets. And in here, there's some winch control, some of the winch controllers as well. Let's open up this door here. And once again, there's not a whole lot to say or comment on. Everything, like these belts are still kind of stiff. They are in exceptional condition. Rockford Fosgate sound system in it. That's pretty awesome. Plenty of cup holders back here. And yeah, that's I guess all I have to show you on the inside. That's as far as the interior goes. You've got some storage back here, which is in good shape. There's no staining or damage. This even has a backup camera, which I'll show you that when I start it up in just a minute. There's the backup camera. Nice factory color rear bumper. And you can just tell by the condition, of the brakes, rims, tires, even the engine, the color of the exhaust, it just barely was used, barely was run in. The substantiality of the Fox suspension here with the dampening adjustment there, electronically adjustable. You can see the solenoid and the sort of plug there. This thing is just unreal when you see one in person. So getting in the Polaris here, we've got one of the keys, which is in. Foot on the brake, starts right up. Sorry for the little bit of glare, but you can see right there, 58.4 miles. You've got the gas gauge. Right now it's in two-wheel drive. There is the switch to put it into four-wheel drive. I believe that's here, as well as the light switch here, which has 3 different positions. And there's all sorts of different telemetry and things you can find on these screens. It's pretty awesome. There's even Bluetooth for your phone, all sorts of cool things. There's even navigation. Look at that, factory satellite navigation. Ultra cool. We are gonna pop it into gear here. And now we're gonna now check this out. I've stopped in an area and now we've got it in reverse. There's the backup camera right there. Super awesome. And now we'll put it back into drive. Now we're in our sort of off-road area, and we're gonna get it staged to take a look at the underbody. And now that we've done the brief little test drive, I can confirm it works really as a new machine. Only 58 miles on it, as I've mentioned, so we don't have to go crazy there going on an excursion. But check this out, we've got it on part of the rock wall here, showing off some of the articulation, and this allows me to get underneath it and just show you there's no, big gouges or damage. A little bit of dirt splash up from, when it was lightly used on the owner's property. And now we come around back here, got the big tow hook loop here. And once again, all the plastic paneling, no big gouges or damage. It's just seems to be in good condition. So if you are interested in this Polaris, you are just one click away from the current pricing and availability. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.